ist Nikolausabend. Kinder in Deutschland stellen heute Abend einen Teller oder gewitzte Stiefel vor die Tür. Der Nikolaus kommt dann in der Nacht und füllt die Teller oder Stiefel mit Apfeln, Nüssen und Schokolade. Am nächsten Tag freuen sich die Kinder auf die Geschenke vom Nikolaus.
Today is Saint Nicholas Day. In Germany, it is called Nikolausabend. This evening, the children in Germany put away clean boots on the doorstep. Overnight, Saint Nicholas will fill them with fruits, nuts, and chocolates. The next morning, the children will be happy to see the wonderful gifts from Santa.
Who is Saint Nicholas? Saint Nicholas was a bishop. He was very rich and distributed his wealth to the poor. The legend says that there was a poor family with 3 daughters who didn't have enough money to get married. So he filled a sack with gold coins and threw it secretly in the night down the chimney of their house, because he didn't want to get attention for his contribution. But one day he got caught by the father of the children, and people got to know about Saint Nicholas. Since then, people believe that if they got a secret gift, Saint Nicholas might have gifted them. As Saint Nicholas died on the 6th of December, this day is dedicated to him. We will now sing a song called Let Us Be Happy and Joyful. It is about Saint Nicholas evening.
Dan steht der Lauf, Nikolaus leg gewiss was drauf. Lustig, tralalala, bald ist Nikolausabend da, bald ist Nikolausabend da.